Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do the Spigen Case Lineup for your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. Now all of these cases you could get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from 11 to 17 bucks. So everything that you see in this video, under 20 bucks. Alright, so let's get right into it. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. First up, we got the thin fit. Now this one's going to run you 11 bucks. Now on a side note, I'm not going to put them on each case. They all look the same and fit the same for each version. So in order to make this quick, we'll just do one of each. Okay, so this is going to be your thin fit, 11 bucks. Now this is basically just a hard shell case. Okay? All your cutouts. Bottom is wide open, top is wide open. We'll slap this on the 11. If you notice, no razivity on this case. This case ain't going to give you the most protection. All right, but it will protect the back of your phone from getting scratched up. And it's not going to add any extra thickness or any extra weight. Oh, let me turn this phone on. Matter of fact, drop it on the wireless charge. That'll power it up. There it is. All right, so let that juice up in the meantime. Basically, the thin fit. Like I said, if you don't want any extra thickness, any extra weight, but you just want to protect the back of your phone, rock out like this. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the liquid air. Now this one's going to run you 11 bucks also. Check this one out. Okay, liquid air. Now this one you're getting a little bit more protection as opposed to the thin fit. Let me just check those buttons while we got it open. All right, there's your buttons. Let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge on deck. This one right here is going to give you a little bit more protection. You got your textured feel on the back, all your cutouts, all your buttons, web pattern on the inside. That's for shock absorption. We'll slap this one on. Okay, and this is what it's going to look like. Now this one you do have a little bit of razivity. Slamboy certified. Like I said, all the cutouts line up. Let's check the button. There's your button. Let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge on deck. This one is a go right here. 11 bucks, liquid air. Let's keep it moving. Next up, let's take it over to the liquid crystal. Now this one's going to run you 13 bucks. Check this one out. Okay, now this one comes with a little wet wipe. Little card, flick of the wrist. Basically just a gel skin case. All right, so you should wipe down your phone first. Now I'm not going to use the wet wipe. I'm just going to use a regular microfiber cleaning cloth. We'll slap this one on. And this is what it's going to look like. Now this is tough. If you want to showcase the color of your phone, this is the one that you want to rock. Let's check wireless charge. There's wireless charge. Let's hit the buttons. All right, there's your buttons. This one does have a little bit of razivity. Slamboy certified. This is a good look right here. Showcase the beautiful color of your brand new iPhone 11 Pro, 11, or 11 Pro Max. Let's keep it moving. Next up, let's take it over to the Ultra Hybrid. Now this one's going to run you 12 bucks. Okay, so it looks like we got some sticker struggles on deck. All right, let me peel these off. All right, here we go. Right. One more. Right. Now this one has transparent back, hard shell, with your TPU frame around the sides. All your cutouts, all your buttons on deck. Slap this one in. This one has a nice amount of razivity. Slamboy certified. All your cutouts, everything lines up. Let's check the button. There's your button. Wireless charge on deck. Now this one is cool because it's not going to turn yellow. All right, because as you know, with the transparent cases, they usually turn yellow around the corners. So this one, you're still going to be able to showcase the back of your phone without it turning yellow. It's pretty sick. All right, let's keep it moving. Next up, let's take it over to the Ultra Hybrid S. Now this one's going to run you 14 bucks. Okay, no beast mode necessary. More sticker struggles. Here we go. Let me grab a knife. All right, here we go. One more. Now this one is a little bit different. You see this, how this is a gel skin case. This is hard shell. All right, so less flexible. This one does have a kickstand, or your buttons, or your cutouts. All right, so let's slap this one in. Here's how it's gonna look. A little bit extra weight. Let's try that kickstand. There's your kickstand. And the kickstand does have a magnet, so it's not gonna flap back open. Nice amount of resivity on these. Bang, Slam Boy certified. Check that button. There it is. Check wireless charge. No problems. All right, so this is a go right here. Another transparent style case, but just a hard shell with a kickstand. Let's keep it moving. Next up, let's take it over to the rugged Alma. Now this one's gonna run you 12 bucks. This is one of my favorite cases, and now I noticed they added the cutout for the Apple logo. I like that. Check this one out. Now this has the carbon fiber trim on the bottom, and this time you have a ridged textured pattern on the top. Soft matte feel, no fingerprints on this one. All your buttons, all your cutouts, your web pattern for shock absorption. We'll slap this one on. Now this is usually my case that I rock to the gym. Look how this one looks. Cutouts, perfect. Everything lines up. Let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge, let's check the buttons. There's the buttons. And this one has a nice amount of resivity. Slam Boy certified. All right, rugged Alma. I love this case, but the best thing about it is that carbon fiber trim on the bottom and no fingerprints. Let's keep it moving. All right, so 2 more cases I want to show y'all. Let's take it over to the Neo Hybrid. Now this one's gonna run you 14 bucks. Y'all seen this case 1,000 times on my channel. This is a classic right here. Neo Hybrid. Now this has that herringbone pattern on the back. Okay, inside, web pattern for shock absorption. Now this is a 2-part style case. So you got your bumper with TPU underneath. All your buttons, all your cutouts. What phone is this? This might be for the big boy. Slap this one on. Now check this out. Look at the amount of resivity on this one. Let's check the buttons. There's your buttons. Resivity on deck. Bang. Slam Boy certified. All the cutouts line up. And let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Neo Hybrid. Now this one comes in a bunch of different colors. This one gives you a nice grippy feel to it. I love that herringbone pattern. Adds a little bit of extra weight, but in a good way. All right, I'm feeling this one. This is one of my favorite Spigen cases. Neo Hybrid. Let's keep it moving. Now, I saved the best one for last. Last, we got the Tough Armor. Now, this one's going to run you 17 bucks. I highly recommend this case. I use it on all of my phones. Check this one out. Now, this is the new version of the Tough Armor that has the impact-resistant foam on the insides. You got a kickstand that matches the same color of the case. 2-part style case. So you got your hard shell with TPU. Power button. Volume up and down. All the cutouts. Slap this one on. This one right here has a nice heavy weight to it. This one has the most amount of resivity. So it's Slam Boy certified. You got a cutout for your Apple logo. All the rest of the cutouts line up. Let's check the kickstand. Kickstand on deck. And listen to this. Locks back in place, so no flappage. And of course, let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge on deck. This is my favorite case from Spigen, the Tough Armor. Let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's take a look at the Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Now this one's going to run you 10 bucks, and it's available for all of the iPhones. Okay, so this is 9H on the hardness scale. Giggity. Let's see what it is. Now you get 2 of these. All right, so you get 2 screen protectors and your whole kit. Now this is real easy to slap on. Let me show you how to do it. Let's grab the phone. We'll open this up. I'm going to try to do this quick. All right, hold up. All right, the package was trolling me. Here's what you get inside. You got a squeegee, got some dust removal tape, microfiber cleaning cloth, and your wet wipes. So all I'm gonna do is first wipe the screen, get everything nice and clean. Okay. Now I got a bunch of cat hairs on the table, so I might have to take a little bit more time. Use the microfiber cleaning cloth and wipe it down. Make sure there's no dirt, no debris. Do this right. Now, like I said, I'm doing it fast, but when you do yours, take your time. Okay, next, we're just going to remove the film. Slap it right on the phone. Just like that. Slide your finger up and down. Okay, you see all of the you see all of the bubbles going away by himself. Okay. Now you're gonna peel this off. Okay, so you just peel that right off, just like that. You take this off, grab your squeegee, get those bubbles out. Okay. Now, like I said, I'm doing this super fast, but you can take your time. And then we just peel the outer layer off. And there it is. Bubble-free installation. Now you can squeegee it out. Let me get a little cloth and wipe it down one more time so y'all can see for yourself. Okay. There it is. Now, if I take my time, I can really squeegee those last bit of bubbles out. But you get the idea. Tempered glass screen protector. And if you don't like it, this one is not the hardest to take off. The longer it sits, it will take a little bit longer to peel off. One more thing I wanted to show y'all. All right, so just in case you wanted to know if you can use these screen protectors with a case, I just put another one back on my iPhone 11. Let's try it with the tough Alma. No problems. Now you see it doesn't go edge to edge, so you're going to be able to use this with any case. Now I'll peel this one back off just so y'all can see that it was on. There it is. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.